Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about oral hygiene for babies under 3 years, like how to protect their teeth, how to maintain oral hygiene, and as well as what kind of toothpaste you can use and how much amount of toothpaste you can use and all. Come on, let's get into the topic. So when it comes to oral hygiene, you have to keep in mind is you have to start this process as early as possible. Even before teething, you should start this process. You should not wait until the first teeth has emerged. So before teething itself, we have to clean their gums to remove the milk deposits over there, either by using a very soft cloth or else you can use mouth wipes. So you can use the mouth wipes for babies. It's available in the market now. We'll provide you the link in the description box. If you want, please do check out. So or else you can use, instead of this soft cloth and mouth wipes, you can go for finger brush like this. So this while buying this finger brush, the things you have to keep in mind are, so it should be made from BPA free silicone material, and this bristle should be wider enough for better cleaning. And at the back side, if you see, they will be providing some pressure points to soothe the baby's gums, so which helps for teething. So before teething itself, for baby's gum cleaning, you can use this washcloth or else mouth wipes, or else you can go for this finger brush. Once the teeth has emerged, it's recommended to switch over from this finger brush to normal child-sized brush, or else you can say like a baby brush. So next, how much amount of toothpaste you can use for babies under 3 years as well as for children ages 3 to 6. So in case of babies under 3 years, the amount of toothpaste you can use is just about the size of a rice grain. A single rice grain size is the recommended amount to use for babies under 3 years. And for children ages 3 to 6, the recommended amount is about the size of a green pea. So green peas is there, no? So a single green pea size is the recommended one for children ages 3 to 6. So next, what kind of toothpaste you can choose for babies under 3 years, like whether we have to go for with fluoride or else without fluoride content. So generally, if you see, toothpaste with fluoride content is best for dental cleaning, but in case of babies, they may swallow the toothpaste, right? So while swallowing the toothpaste with the fluoride content is not good for health, so that's why for babies we are going for toothpaste without fluoride or else with less fluoride content. For every mom there is a question like why should I struggle this much to brush temporary teeth soon that will get replaced with the permanent ones? So for those moms, the answer is very simple, like early dental habits will ensure a lifetime of dental health. So because of this only reason, we have to struggle this much. So I hope this video will give you an idea about oral hygiene for babies under 3 years. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and comment it. If you have any suggestions, please pour it on comments box. And thank you for watching, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.